Welcome to Air Fry Easy Every Day. 140 super simple, delicious recipes. And if you have an air fryer oven, we have got you covered. I know it's one of the ones, isn't it? You know, everybody has a basket, or they have a dual now, or they have a multi-cooker, and nobody talks about the air fryer oven. I think it's because, for me, it takes longer to cook food. Compared to an air fryer basket. It's not as energy saving as what the basket and the duals are, and it's just not got that popularity about it. But I like it, especially the rotisserie feature. And we have 2 air fryer ovens at home, and they are great. It just depends on what you want them for. So, what can you expect for the air fryer oven in Air Fry Easy Every Day? After all, we do say oven, and if you come on the back page, we also mention it here, as well as a chapter with recipes for the air fryer oven. So let me show you what I've got in mind for you. Well, first of all, when you open up our air fryer cookbook, we go into great detail about the different types of air fryers, from the basket to the oven to the dual, and how they're all different and how you can convert your recipes for an air fryer oven if you follow in a basket or a dual recipe. So when you go in here, air fryer oven section. So we talk briefly here about air fryer ovens, and then you can see that that's how you would cook chicken in an air fryer oven. Just think of it as an air fryer oven version. So you would put it on a tray like you see here, compared to in the basket, and then these racks work as an alternative to an air fryer basket. So it's kind of like you're cooking on the shelves in an air fryer oven. And then what we also have is an air fryer oven chapter. Let me find it for you. Here it is, the air fryer oven. So this was originally called the rotisserie chicken section, and it was famous for the rotisserie meats that you could cook using the air fryer oven. And then we decided to also add in the tray bakes because they're such a wonderful feature of an air fryer oven. And I do love this opening design here, and it looks just like my power air fryer oven actually. Wonderful job. So we have a good feature on getting to know your air fryer oven so that you can understand it better. It also has information about how much quicker cooking air fryer baskets are in comparison, so that you can quickly adjust for when you're cooking. And then we also discuss how to convert a recipe for the air fryer oven, because that's very, very important. And of course the shelves and everything else. And then we jump into the recipes. So we've got a pork tenderloin tray bake, and then you could follow this and then convert any of your favourite tray bakes to the air fryer oven. And then we've got the shrimp boil one as well. And then we've got all about the rotisserie, how to use it and whatnot. Oh, I even got manicured hands just for the photo. And then honey mustard gammon, or as you might call it, ham in the US. We have that. We have our favourite Brazilian barbecue. I mean, that is the best rotisserie meat we've ever cooked in the air fryer oven. And we were all like little puppies when it had just finished cooking in the studio, all wanting a piece, or 6. And then rotisserie chicken, pork shoulder. And then if you don't have an air fryer oven, which probably doesn't apply to you if you're watching this video, we also have basket and dual instructions underneath. Crispy duck and pancakes, oh, that is good. And much cheaper than how much you pay for it in a restaurant. And then we've got the Greek kebabs. We were on holiday in Greece last year, so we had to obviously put them in there. And they're absolutely delicious. I'm going out for dinner with my mum and dad. I say I'm going out for dinner, I'm taking this to them for dinner, and we can't wait to have it because it's just so good. And all the recipe testers, out of all the different marinades and things that we've done in this cookbook, this is by far their favourite. Oh, and it's just so nice. And of course, that's using our own homemade flatbreads, which are also in the cookbook. And then we have 3 different types of kebabs. Again, they're very, very easy to do in the air fry oven. And we'll give you thorough instructions on how to use the rotisserie, because it amazes me how many people with the air fryer oven haven't used the rotisserie because they're worried about how to do it. So we're so pleased to be sharing all that information with you. And then of course, when you've finished and you've mastered our air fryer oven chapter, you can go on and check out the other chapters in our cookbook, because we've got some brilliant ones that you can follow along in an air fryer oven. You don't just have to stick to that chapter. We just wanted to give you the know-how so that you feel really, really comfortable using the air fryer oven and can then convert any recipe you want to the air fryer oven. And of course, don't forget to head over to recipethis.com/books. You can pre-order yourself a copy now of Air Fry Easy Every Day. It's available in hardback and paperback, and you can also pre-order a Kindle version as well if you want. And there's some brilliant bonuses coming your way if you pre-order.